education. I'm a theological scientist. I'm theological science. I ain't about, AME. I ain't about Baptist. I ain't about none of that. No, because that is, I'm going to show you, homeboy. If you want to get, you telling me today that you want to wear the suit I wear, get into theological science.
Well, I'll go beyond you.
But it's hard, man. You can't stop. You got to go beyond. You can't stop. You got to go beyond. You got to study. You got to study Muslimism. You got to study Christianism. You got to study fucking Buddhism.
What about Judaism?
Yes,
What about the Judaism?
That's right. You got to study it.
What about Lucism?
You got to study it.
What about Rusism?
You got to study
What
it.
about niggism?
No, because you a nigga because you call yourself a nigga. Yes, sir. See, you got to study. See, when Malcolm X came on, you know who put Malcolm X on board? You know who put Malcolm X on board? Muhammad Ali.
Who told you that? Tony.
Muhammad Ali put Malcolm X on board.
Tony, who tell you got to study? How you know you got to study?
Because that's theological science.
Oh, that's still not gonna tell me how you got to study. That doesn't mean I got to study. Who tell you that?
You know, even if you don't know Arabic, how you gonna know American?
Well, who tell you got to study?
Because you got to study Arabic.
Why?
Because Arabic speaking, because that's the true language.
Get the hell out of here, boy.
Who tell you that?
Who told me that? And it's common sense, Anita.
Arabic and
I
two
don't
languages.
know. I got to study somebody.
What is your true language? What's your true language?
Do you know it?
No, I'm asking you since you tell me Arabic is not the true language. What is your true language?
Hebrew.
Thank you. I was about to say it.
Arabic ain't nothing but Hebrew.
Well, who tell you that?
Arabic ain't nothing but Hebrew. If you don't study, then I couldn't be dressed in my uniform.
Who tell you that to study?
What uniform? That boy uniform?
But me?
That thing you get, boy? Wait, cause I want to know where
You
it's
just
going.
singing a song. But what you practicing? You practicing what you preach?
Hey, the song.
No, I ain't asked you nothing. I asked you, are you practicing what you preach?
No, now I'm breaking to you.
No, I'm asking you, are you practicing what you preach?
Let me ask you.
No, I'm asking you, what you practicing what you preach?
Yeah.
No, hell no.
Fool me down. Oh, boy, my man said a word. I got him. Now, the song I sung, brother, it was said, come see.
I ain't asked you about no song. I asked you if you practicing what you preach.
Yes, I beg the Lord to come see about us.
I ain't asked you about no song. I'm asking you, do you practice what you preach?
Yes, I do. I try to.
What do you preach?
What do I preach? It's the preach.
No, I asked you, what do you preach? Don't ask me what about some preach. I asked you, what do you preach? Do you practice that?
What do I preach?
What do you preach? Mark, don't give me no bull crap, man. What do you preach?
Let me talk.
He preaching, he practicing that now.
He's singing. Oh, I sing about something. I ain't asked you what you singing. I'm asking what you